Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we would like to learn about present perfect tense with me, Ustazah Muthia. But before we come to our lessons, let's we pray together by saying Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Present perfect tense. Okay, present perfect tense. What do you think when you hear about present perfect tense? Yeah, present perfect tense is used when we want to say about something that happened in the past time, or we want to talk about our experiences. Yeah. Okay, here there are three forms: past tense, present tense, and future tense. So, for our better understanding, later we can see the characteristic of present and then perfect tense, ya. Okay, present perfect tense formula. Present perfect tense, there are three forms of present perfect tense. These are positive sentence, negative sentence, and question sentence. For positive sentence, we can arrange the formula becomes subject plus have or has plus past participle. For negative, we can arrange becomes subject plus have not or haven't, has not, hasn't, and past participle. And for questions, we can arrange the formula becomes have or has plus subject plus participle. For example, for positive sentences, we have studied for 2 hours. Ya, jadi di sini we as subject and then have as the present characteristic, ya, have karena dia we, kemudian studied is verb 3 or participle dari study for 2 hours, ya. Ini kita kurang S, ya. Okay, for negative, this is we plus have not studied, ya. Jadi tinggal kita tambah not dan verb 3-nya for 2 hours, ya, tambah S ya di belakangnya karena dia jamak. Okay, for the question, have we studied for 2 hours, ya. Jadi to be-nya yaitu have kita majukan ke depan, kemudian subject plus verb 3-nya. Okay, good. Next, selanjutnya, when we use present perfect tense, jadi kapan sih kita gunakan present perfect tense ini? First, we use the present perfect tense to talk about experiences. For example, Anna has never broken a leg. Jadi di sini, Anna has never broken a leg. Jadi sesuatu yang pernah terjadi, ya. Okay, the next, have you ever eaten sushi? Jadi dia akan bertanya, apa kamu pernah makan sushi? Jadi have-nya di depan, kemudian subject dan verb 3, sushi. Okay, selanjutnya, we use the present perfect tense to talk about an action which started in the past and continues up to now. Jadi, kita gunakan present perfect tense untuk membicarakan aksi yang telah terjadi di masa lalu dan masih berlangsung sampai sekarang. Misalnya, we haven't seen Janine since Friday. Jadi, ketika kita ingin menggunakan kata-kata yang telah terjadi dan masih berdampak sampai sekarang, kita menggunakan since or for. Jadi di sini, ya, we, subject, have not, verb, kemudian verb 3, Janine since Friday. Jadi kami tidak pernah melihat Janine sejak hari Jumat. Berarti it means sampai sekarang mereka belum bertemu juga dengan Janine-nya. Okay, the third, we also use the present perfect tense to talk about a past actions that has the result in the present. Jadi kita menggunakan present perfect tense untuk mengatakan aksi yang telah terjadi dan memiliki dampaknya sampai sekarang. For example, I have lost my wallet. It means I don't have it now. Jadi kita tidak memiliki wallet itu sampai sekarang. For the second, Jimmy has gone to South America. Jadi he isn't here now, ya. Berarti it means he is in South America. So he isn't here now. ya. Oke, next selanjutnya, when we want to using present perfect tense, it means we have to know whether the vocabulary about past form, past simple, and past participle. So here regular verbs. Regular verbs means the changing is regular. The changing of the vocabulary are regular. For example, paint and then painted and painted. So we only add ed in the end of the word, yeah. And how about irregular verbs? Irregular verbs is the changing of the vocabulary totally different, ya. Jadi sangat berbeda. For example, take, took, and taken. Build, built, and built. See, saw, seen. Go, went, gone, and many others, ya. Okay, now let's do it together. Complete the sentences with the verbs in the present perfect tense. For number 1, she blah 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 paint her house. So, she, maka kita menggunakan has, dan paint become verb 3 as painted. So, here we go. She has painted her house. Number 2, Brian studied hard for his grammar test. Because of Brian is he, so we can use has. And then study, we change into studied, verb 3. And this is the answer. Brian has studied hard for his grammar test. And the third, we buy many things for the party. So, the answer will be, we have bought many things for the party. And the fourth, for the question, blah blah blah, you go to the mall. So, because of the subject is you, we have to use have, ya. Have you gone to the mall? Jadi go becomes gone. And the next, blah blah blah, Norman cut his hair. So it will be, has Norman cut his hair? Ya. Next selanjutnya, how to arrange the sentences with not. So, number 1, she not buy a new dress. It will be, she has not bought a new dress. So she, we can use has, and then buy becomes bought, ya. Jadi she has not bought a new dress. Next, number 2, he not take some pictures. The answer will be, he has not taken some pictures. Why taken? Because take verb 3-nya adalah taken. Meanwhile, has, because the subject is he. Okay, next, number 3, Helen and Kate not drive their car since Monday. So the answer will be, Helen and Kate haven't driven their car since Monday. So jangan terkecoh di sini Helen and Kate. Helen and Kate becomes they. They will be used have, ya. Not has. Next selanjutnya, Jennifer and John have not built their house yet. Ini seperti number 3. Okay, number 5, we not see the film about the war. So the answer will be, we haven't seen the film about the war. Okay, next class, how to arrange the questions in present perfect tense. The first, you ever eat snails? The answer will be, have you ever eaten snails? Why? It's happened because to be of you here have, and then eat is eaten. So the answer will be, have you ever eaten snails? And the second, she ever traveled by plane? The answer will be, has she ever traveled by plane? And the next, number 3, Helen and Kate drive their cars. The answer will be, have Helen and Kate driven their cars? Why have? Yeah, it is because the subject are two people. So we will use have for these questions. Okay, next, number 4. Jennifer and John built their house. So the questions will be, have Jennifer and John built their house? And last, we see the film about the war. So the questions will be, have we seen the film about the war? Okay, my dear students, I think that's all for our lesson for today. I hope that all of you understand the matter of our math lesson today. Okay, thank you so much for your nice attention. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share in your social media. Thank you so much, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.